So the formula that was set up was 1,100 equals 1,000, and then it was 1 plus 0.024 divided by 360. And 360 times t.
Excellent. So we want to find t. Perfect example. Thank you. So what type of equation is this? Well, I'm hoping you're going to answer exponential because there is no variable anywhere but at the exponent. So this must be an exponential equation. Okay, second question is, what will be the first step? I have to clean it up. So how do I clean this up first? Any suggestions? Anything?
What's in the parentheses? You want to solve it?
No, I don't even want to go there. What will be the...
you want to divide.
Excellent. I have to divide by 1,000. Great job. Okay, so 2 zeros are gone. So 11 over 10 equals 1 plus 0.024 over 360 raised to 360 times t. Good. Don't be bothered by this. This is just a number. Don't even look at it. What will be the next step now? I don't care what I have here. It's just a number. Forget about it. What will be the next step towards solving for t? It's okay if you're wrong.
Getting rid of the exponent?
Yes, how? Exactly. That's the idea. Perfect. But how do I do that?
You would divide?
I cannot. No, no, no. So remember, this is not linear. There is nothing about division yet. There is something totally different. Something that we learned in chapter 4.
The natural log?
Excellent. Yay. Great job. You didn't see me putting my arms up in the air. Exactly. Exactly. I don't care about this. It's just a poor number. Leave it alone. Yes, applying natural log allows me to take this in front. Right here. Great job. Thank you. So natural log 11 divided by 10 equals 360t times natural log of whatever. And I'll copy it. Do not spend your time or energy on this number. Okay. Final step. I'm solving for t. Perfect question. All your questions are just awesome so far. Awesome. Right to the target. Okay, so then what now? I want to get t from this equation. What do I do? And again, don't even look at this. I don't care what it is.
You would divide by 360?
Times this. These two numbers multiply t. Excellent. The top is natural log of 11 over 10, and the denominator is 360 times whatever. Exactly. Awesome. Now I have to be very careful how I put it in the graphing calculator. So this is a numerator. It has only one term, so there is no need to put parentheses around it. Here you can say it's also one term, it's one product, but there is an operation symbol. You have to put in the calculator, you have to put another set of parentheses. If you don't, the calculator will divide this by 360, and then the answer will be multiplied by this, which is not what we're trying to do. Ready? Natural log of 11 over 10. Natural log. Let me know if you can see or if I should raise it. Okay, divided. Is it better?
Yes.
Okay, left parenthesis for the denominator, 360. Natural log, you don't have to put a multiplication symbol. Natural log, and now careful how you put all this. It's 1 plus 0.024 divided by 360. Close the parenthesis, that belongs to the natural log. But now you have to close the other parenthesis that belongs to the denominator. And when you hit enter, you get 3.97. How many decimal digits they want? They want us to round up to the nearest integer?
Yes, to the nearest whole number.
Okay, so that's 4. Great job. Thank you. Good. Next question. Anything, please. Anything. Pick anything that you didn't get to so I can help you move forward. Anything that you didn't get to or you didn't solve or you have difficulties or not, or you just want to see it. Anything. Go through any whole. Yes.
I have a logarithmic equation.
Done. Let's do it. Excellent.
So it's going to be log x plus 14 equals log of x plus log 14.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Excellent problem. When we solve log equations, we have to be very careful. Like when we solve radical equations, like when we solve rational equations, because these functions are not friendly. This is not a friendly function, what I call friendly, because I have to write that x plus 14 must be greater than 0 for this function to exist. For this function, again, I don't call it friendly. I have to write a restriction. This is just a number. I'm not going to state any restrictions on a number. Okay, so x has to be greater than negative 14, and x has to be greater than 0, and I need the common domain. You don't have to rush through this. You can graph to find the common domain. So I have in kind of greenish, bluish, something like that, 0 to infinity. And I also have negative 14 to infinity. I need both colors. Why? Because I want both functions to exist at the same time. So that means that the common domain is, the solution should be exactly where?
0 to infinity?
Yes. If it is not, I'll say, oops, no solutions. Okay, now the left-hand side is good. I don't have to do anything. And now, after I stated the common domain, I can condense this. It's a sum of two logs in the same base. So that will be log applied to if it's the sum, it's log applied to.
What's in x?
This is log x, right? Plus log 14. 14x. Is that what you said? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm sorry. Thank you, Bernie. Okay, so now remember, I don't even have to change this into an exponential equation. Why? Because, see my props. Two logs are equal, and they have the same base. What has to happen for this to be true?
X plus 14 has to equal 14x.
That's it. Of course, I'll subtract x, and I get that x equals 14 over 13. But is it? Is this a positive number? Greater than 0? Yes. I'll say yes. Now, remember I said there was another option. You can forget about all this, but you have to go back and check. Back to the original problem. I'd rather write this, but it's easier for me. Doesn't have to be easier for you. So you choose. But you have to go back and check if you don't write the domain, the common domain. It's your decision. Whatever works for you, that's fine by me. Next question, next problem. Let's not waste time. Anything, pick anything. Vinny, is this okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next question. Anything. Pick from anything so I can help you with your homework. I know I sound like a broken record. I'm sorry. Okay, next problem. Anyone? Next problem. My professors never said, I'll do what you want. Now it's your chance. Take advantage of it. And if you can, also come back at 5 o'clock and ask more questions. It's in your best interest. You can choose from the tests that I posted, if you'd like, or anything. Anyone? Anything?
Test one for the health study with the finals. That's just the downloaded version you did, so we could just print it off and redo it.
Test one that we took in
Mhm.
class. Yeah, I posted solutions, and if you want me to post solutions for anything else, I will. So that is for you to print it out and do it several times at home. So, go back to the solutions, learn from the mistakes, go back and do it again. With the my math lab, you have that. You can print out the test. It's open to you on test 2. You can print it out and take it at home several times till you master those topics. Did I answer your question, Stacy?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And also between now and Saturday, if you need some help, you can always reach out, please. If I'm not teaching, I will open up a Zoom session for you, and we'll talk about anything you need. Anyone.
Final exam, will it be set up like the test that I've been taking from my math lab?
Yeah. I'm sorry, they are working on something that will proctor the exams because now some universities don't transfer unless we guarantee that the test was proctored. But they haven't given us any indication yet. Yeah. Make sure you have a headset or earplugs so nothing bothers you. Please. Because you have to keep you cannot mute yourselves, and I don't want anything to bother you. So make sure you have a headset or earplugs or something that prevents you from getting distracted by anything. I will email that again. Okay, any questions? Let's not waste time. Let's pick something.